What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to load Raspberry Pi OS onto your SD card using the Raspberry Pi Imager. To do this, you need a SD card, a laptop, and any other accessories that you require to insert the SD card into your laptop. Now turn on your laptop and pull up a browser. Type in raspberrypi.org in the URL section. Next, go to the Downloads section. In there, depending on your operating system, click on the respective download link. Let it download. After it downloads, click on the file to begin the installation process. If you're using macOS, just follow the steps that you see on the screen. However, if you're using any other operating system, the steps are similar. After the Raspberry Pi Imager has opened up, make sure you have inserted the SD card onto your laptop correctly and then choose which OS you want to load onto your SD card and then choose the SD card. Then click on the right button. This process can take several minutes, so give it some time. After this process is finished, you can remove the SD card from your computer and insert it into your Raspberry Pi. Thanks for watching. If you want to see some Raspberry Pi projects, be sure to subscribe.